Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do some Gucci leopard print nails. So the base for my nails is gonna be this Zoya nail polish in the shade Aspen. I paint one coat on all of my nails. Next, I go in with this other Zoya polish in the shade Willa. I do a side French on the pinky, and then on the index and ring finger, I do a chevron French. Once that dry, now I go in and start dabbing some different colors on the white area of the nails. First, I dab in blue, and I am using watered down acrylic paints. And as you can see, I was using a piece of napkin because I love how the napkin works, but I was struggling. So I change and I go back into using this brush. So now I'm dabbing in the color yellow, and then I go in and dab the colors purple and orange. So I thought I was recording, but as you can see in the middle finger, I did draw like a thick stripe close to the tip of the nail. So now I'm going in and drawing in my leopard spots, and this is one of my favorite designs. I love doing animal prints, it's my favorite. So for leopard spots, it's simple. You just do like open C shapes and some of them closed, and then on some empty spaces you just draw in some irregular black spots, and that is all. Pretty much that's it to doing leopard spots. Simple and easy. And now it's time to draw that Gucci logo. So I am drawing it on the middle finger and the bottom. So I'm drawing it on top of that thick black stripe that I drew in. And to do it, I draw in a letter G in gold acrylic paint, and then I draw the same G but reverse side. And if you don't know how it looks, just go on to Google for a reference of the picture. And then on the ring fingernail, I went in and drew a B because the Gucci logo somehow is incorporated with bees. I don't know why, don't ask me. So yeah, I'm drawing in a bee here. And here is the finished look. Of course, I went in and put some bling bling on the nails, and on my thumbnail you can see this yellow resin flower. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple quick design, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.